from Bardhavati unit of Odisha State Forest Scouts and Guides. Myself, Ranger Rima Salakuju, I am a Scout and Messengers of Peace. Today I am going to tell you about what is Messengers of Peace, what peace means to me, and what is the goal of this program. So let's start. First, we have to understand what is Messengers of Peace. Messengers, that means who carries messages from one to another, and peace, which give us self-satisfaction through our works for the society, for the people, for the community. The World Scout Committee designed a program named Messengers of Peace to promote and recognize service projects that contribute to world peace. The history of Messengers of Peace. Majesty King Abdullah of Saudi Arabia, a great friend of Scouting, observed, Scouts are the messengers of peace. He and King Carl XVI Gustav of Sweden, the honorary chairman of the World Scout Foundation, have been so impressed with the impact. As a result, they formally launched the Messengers of Peace initiative in September 2011. Before start this, let's have a look. What does peace means to other scouts?
Hello friends, myself Madhusmita Samar. I am a scout, messenger of peace. Peace means to me joy, love, and the most precious things we should never lose.
Hi friends, myself Ratugode. I am scout and messenger of peace. For me, peace is preventive medicine.
Hi friends, myself Mariam Gudia. I am scout, messenger of peace. Peace comes from simple things that affect our spirit and our soul.
Messengers of Peace mean to achieve Scouts' purpose, mission, vision and values. Messengers of Peace is to encourage Scouts to contribute to the construction of a culture of peace through community service actions in collaboration with community members and an international network of Scouts. Vision to connect 50 million Scouts engaged as messengers of peace, participating in creative and innovative social entrepreneur activities with relevant impact in their local, national or regional community through youth program, Scout method and values. Every Scout is a Messengers of Peace. The goal of Messengers of Peace is to inspire millions of young men and women throughout the world to work closer towards achieving peace. Here I am going to show you step-by-step procedure how to create an account in scout.org. So first of all, you have to open Google Chrome. You can also use Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, what you have. Here I am open Google. Type www.scout.org in address bar. Click on Login, which is shown on the top right corner of the page. If you already registered, then you can type your username and password here. If not, you have to create an account by clicking on Register button. You can also register yourself by clicking on Login with Facebook option by using your Facebook login to sign up. Here I am create a new account by clicking on Register button. A small form will display after clicking Register button like this. We have to fill up this form to create a new account. The form will be filled up like this. After fill up the form, click on Create New Account. Once you click the Create a New Account, you will receive a confirmation email on your registered email. Here is the link which I have received from scout.org. This is the mail to active the account. Once you active the link, visit the website, log in with the user ID and password. You can see the username on the right side corner. When you on the username, you will get a drop down list. Click on My Profile to check your profile. Click on Profile Picture to check your scout.org user ID. You can also see your user ID on the address bar after the user / 5 to 7 digit numbers. So this is all about how to open or create an account in scout.org. Thank you. Remember one thing, when you have to share your scout.org user ID, share only the numbers as explained before and your registered email ID. We are doing lots of activities in our units, groups, locally, district, state, nationally. But we fail to show the world what we are doing. Hence, scout.org is the only platform to tell our story, what we are doing. Therefore, to upload your project in scout.org, we all must have scout.org user account, which I have already explained you in my previous session on how to open MOP user account in scout.org. Hence, you open your MOP user account. It is very easy to upload your story in scout.org. Now, I am going to tell you how to post your project on scout.org. Go to www.scout.org website in your web browser. Click on Login on the top right corner. I am already logged in. Once you log in, click on Explore and then click Create from the drop down menu on Explore. Click on Project to post your project as service hours. If you would like to just post scouting news, then click Post to share a news. Once your Create Project page is open, you can start filling the following details. The star marked fields are mandatory to fill it. First, select your language to like to post your project. Second, title of your project. Then you have to select your project start date, inform, and the end date in 2. Type here in the description the story of your project. What kind of service you have done on this project in detail. After that, upload the photos from Add a New File. Upload the documents related to the project like participant list. Select the SDG to which your project relates. If the project relates to more than one SDG, you can select it. Type your original project name, as example, beach cleanup, Earth Hour, etc. You can use a hashtag to link your project so that it will help in searching using hashtags. Enter the total number of participants involved in the project. Select your country here where the project has been done. Your amount of service hours will be calculated based on the dates range and the number of participants into 6 hours a day. If your project is service project, then select the checkbox to count the service hours or select the location through the map below. Share your project link here if you have posted in social media or any other website. You can add your project video URL from YouTube. If you have not completed the project report to publish, you can click Save as Draft. Once you have finished, then click on Publish button to post on the scout.org website. Before uploading the project, some points to be noted. First one, please remember, service project does not mean only community development service. that you have undertaken is to be uploaded in scout.org. Second one, this is a wrong concept. You can upload any of the activities that you individually doing or undertaking in group, that is in unit, crew, team, such as go turn activity, campaign, hiking, trekking, cleanliness drive, adventurous activities, social work, day celebration, etc. can be uploaded in scout.org and tell your story to the world. I would like to highlight the basic information to you to make it more clear in uploading the project. Here are the general
How to choose a project title or a name for my project. The name of your project is the key to get the people's attention. Choose an awesome title to captivate your audience. Describe the benefits of your project in the title. What is the start date? This is the date on which you have started your project. What is the end date? This is the date you completed your project. Please remember, the project may start and end in the same day also. That depends upon your activity. Hence, no confusion to be created here. What is the number of participants? No limitation, can be individually or groups. If the activity was in group, you have to mention the total number of people taking part in your project. Count everyone, scouts or guides, rovers or rangers. If any non-scouts or guides, adult leaders or teachers or volunteers that are involved in the activity or project. What is the average number of service hours per personnel? To know the average number of service hours per person, you must count how many hours you and your team are working on your project and then divide it by the number of participants. What is the total service hours? This information will be automatically calculated by the system based on the number of participants and the average number of service hours. When you upload your project in scout.org, what should be included in the summary of the project during uploading? The summary is a short description, story or report of your project, and its goal is to give an idea what your project is about. What is the primary topic? The primary topic is the category that best fit the main goal of your project. The available categories are peace, community development, outdoor skills, personal progression, human rights, petrol system, dialogue, leadership, adult training, environment service, health life skills, etc. More than one primary topic? You cannot choose more than one main category. How can you upload pictures on the page of your project? On the tab Gallery, click on Upload Gallery Media. Choose a picture from your computer or drag and drop it on the window. Then click on Upload. How to upload a video? In this case, you need to publish your video on YouTube first and list it as public. Then on the tab Gallery, choose the option Upload Gallery Media and Video on the top of the windows. Copy there and link to your video on YouTube and link add.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all will understand clearly about messengers of peace. So upload your project in scout.org and tell your story to the world. Happy scouting!